Hello? In this video, I'll show you how to download and install DeepSeek on Windows 10. DeepSeek is a powerful AI tool designed to assist with various tasks, including generating text, answering questions, and more. It runs in your browser, but you can also install it as a standalone app for easy access. Let's start by accessing the DeepSeek website. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, or any other browser of your choice. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and hit enter. Now look for the first result, which should be www.deepseek.com. Click on it, and it will take you to the official DeepSeek homepage. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a Start Now button. Click on it, and it will redirect you to the Sign Up or Login page. If you already have an account, you can simply log in with your credentials. But if you're new to DeepSeek, you'll need to create an account. Click on Sign Up and enter your email address, password, and confirm your password. Then click on Send Code. DeepSeek will send a verification code to your email. Now, go to your email inbox, find the code, and enter it in the verification field. After that, check the box to accept the terms and conditions, then click Sign Up. In my case, I already have an account. So instead of signing up, I'll go ahead and log in. I'll enter my credentials and click Login. And here we go. DeepSeek is now logged in. To ensure everything is working correctly, let's do a quick test. I'll type "Hey" in the chat and hit enter. And there you go. DeepSeek responds instantly, which means it's working fine. Now, let's move on to installing DeepSeek as an app on Windows 10. Since DeepSeek runs in the browser, we'll install it as a progressive web app. To do this, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. From the drop-down menu, hover over Cast, Save, and Share. A new menu will appear. Look for the option Install Page as App and click on it. A pop-up will ask if you want to install DeepSeek. Click Install. Within a few seconds, DeepSeek will be installed as an app on your Windows 10 device. You'll now see its icon on your desktop, making it easier to access. Now, let's check if the installed app is working properly. I'll open DeepSeek from the desktop shortcut. As you can see, it launches just like a regular application. To confirm that it's fully functional, I'll type "Hey" in the chat again. And once again, DeepSeek responds instantly, proving that it works perfectly even as a standalone app. If you ever want to remove DeepSeek, the process is just as simple. Click on the three dots in your browser again. This time, select Uninstall DeepSeek. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Remove, and that's it. DeepSeek is now uninstalled from your system. And that's how you can download, install, and uninstall DeepSeek on Windows 10. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials.